Hello, my name is Jean-Philippe. I am a certified information privacy professional and a certified project and program manager. In my day-to-day activities, I have to ensure the compliancy of my projects with the GDPR and the UDPR and make sure that all the data privacy and security risks have been appropriately identified and mitigated. In fact, data privacy and security is everywhere in my activities, and being a certified professional is a real advantage that I can only recommend to each and every project and program manager who has to deal with data privacy and security aspects in the frame of their activities. Indeed, every lesson is presented in a very clear and concise manner and help me to very quickly understand the main principles of the GDPR and go into the detail of each article. At the end of each lesson, I found some summary questions that tested my knowledge and helped me to go confidently to the next lesson, and so on and so forth until the end of the training. At the end of the training, the student can find 3 full 90 questions tests that are again of a very high quality. I consider indeed that they are really reflecting the level of difficulty that the student will meet during the final exam, and I can tell you that if you reach a minimum of 90% of success at the end of each of the 3 training exams, then you can confidently go for the real one, and believe me, you will make it. I very much enjoyed my learning journey with the CIPP bundle, and I recommend it to you. Let me explain you why. The first reason, the quality of the website. It is very well organized and presented in a concise way, allowing the student to understand and to learn very complex principles on an efficient and quick manner. The second thing I very much enjoyed is the training booklet. It is a 30-page document that is summarizing very efficiently each and every article of the GDPR and allows the student to go straight to the point without being overwhelmed by very technical and complex jargon. On top of that, I enjoyed the fact that some other documents were made available, like the one which is describing into the detail the European institutions, or another one that is proposing an explanation of the concept of direct marketing. And last but not least, the price. Some other institutes are proposing similar content, training content, for minimum 3 times the price of what the CIPPtraining.com team is proposing. And this is an important argument in favor of going for it. It is very well worth the investment, and you will not lose your money if you go for it. The first recommendation I will make is take your time. Please make each and every effort to know and to learn the training booklet that is delivered by CIPPtraining.com. It is only a 30-page document, but this document, believe me, is containing everything that the student should know in the perspective of the exams. Stay focused and do not be distracted by the technical jargon that is proposed during the question.